Don't be obligated, fearful of other people leaving you, because people are going to do what they want to do. Expectations are premeditated resentments. Here's the thing. People say, like, you need to let people know about your expectations of them, and then you can have a better relationship and you'll be happier, and they'll be able to meet your expectations, your needs that you want. If you tell them, and if you're quiet and you don't tell them, and then you'll get resentful. No, but the truth is, even if you tell people what you want, exactly, precisely what you want, and you tell them about it, that doesn't mean they're going to do it, number one. It doesn't mean they care, and why should they? You need to care. Care about yourself. Yes, expectations are premeditated resentments. I have been expecting too much, and I have been giving too much, and it is far, far, far overdue for me to literally just fill my own cup and be the lighthouse. I have been trying in vain for years to, number one, be the tugboat. I let go of that pretty much, but number two, there's still, I feel like fear, obligation, and whatnot. What do I have to lose? I have nothing left to lose. So if people want to leave, leave. If you don't like the fact that I'm working and I need to make my money, I have goals, billionaire best wife. If you don't like it and you don't like the fact that I'm working and I'm not calling you every day and I'm not texting you every day, well, that's your problem. And the fact is, if you don't like it, then you really don't care about me. And because even if you care about me and you want to help, I don't want help. I'm not a victim. If you want to help, then what would you do? What I've asked you to do. Reviews, sharing my episodes with your friends, those are free. Sharing my products, I need reoccurring revenue. So I've been expecting people to support my business, which is free. Sharing my show, sharing my episodes. I've expected people to be honest, but they still want to talk to me. Well, guess what? I was born free. Now I'm expensive, and I'm worth it. Less is more. Fill your cup up first. Don't try to be the tugboat. Just be the lighthouse. Just trust and believe. Trust in yourself that you can do it. You'll figure it out. You'll make it happen. Do less. Don't be obligated, fearful of other people leaving you, because people are going to do what they want to do. So that's what you need to do. You're worth it, boo.